Hello everyone and welcome to Languages for Life. Thank you so much for being on this channel. I'm so happy to see many of you want to learn French. This channel has been thought as an e-learning program for you. If you're a learner of French, if you're looking for structure, if you're looking for a step-by-step method that follows a pre-existing book, you're in the right place. You can follow along with each video that I publish. My name is Clementina Poli. I'm a tutor of French with over 3 years of experience teaching students from all over the world. I've learned so much with my students, and now I want to give back what I've learned to you. I also learned many languages, so I know what it's like to struggle with a language. As a teacher, my aim is to help you gain knowledge in the most efficient way. That is why I have chosen Grammaire en Dialogue, which is a book that exists and that you can download or buy. I find Grammaire en Dialogue really efficient because it's an indirect grammar-based learning method that allows you to learn the basics of French grammar through everyday conversation. It's not the usual boring grammar lesson. I'm hoping that through the dialogues and the English translations, you will already get a lot of the grammar yourself. But if some of you need more help, I will be giving in-depth grammar explanation for every video that I will publish. To learn a language, you need to develop 4 skills. Hearing is not the only skill you need. There's also reading, writing, and speaking. Hearing is important, of course, but it's not the only skill that will allow you to speak the language. That's why I have conceived videos that not only allow you to listen to everyday dialogues, but also prompts you to write and speak in French. To take the most out of these videos, I will be publishing a video for each of the dialogues of the book. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you take out the most of each of these videos. Each video from the Grammaire en Dialogue playlist specifies the language focus you will learn. Listen to the dialogue twice, first with English subtitles, then without the subtitles. Watch the grammar focus from the dialogue if you need more explanations on the grammar. At the end of each grammar point, there's an exercise. Do it to test what you've learned. These exercises have a drilling aim. That means that they are repetitive and generally use the same vocabulary we previously mentioned to help your brain get accustomed to hearing and assimilating the new words. I have given you a possible answer for each of the questions from these exercises. Listen to the answers the first time and do the exercise again without the answers to test your knowledge. At the end of each dialogue, there is a series of comprehension questions from the text. This part is relevant to help you practice the vocabulary from the text and learn to answer questions in French using correct phrasal structures. Try answering the questions yourself and watch the answer key for correction. Or listen to the answers the first time and then try answering the questions the second time yourself. Use the comment section below to write your answers. I'll be happy to help and correct if needed. This exercise of questions and answers also has a drilling aim. If you answer the questions with complete sentences, you will help your brain assimilate the vocabulary and expressions quicker. If the question is, Qui est le garçon blond? Don't just answer, le frère d'Élodie, but say, c'est le frère d'Élodie. If the question is, est-ce que la famille est en vacances en Italie? Don't just answer, oui or non, but make a complete sentence. Non, elle est en vacances en Espagne. Of course, this is not very authentic and it's not what you're going to hear in your everyday life. But it's important for you to repeat and write the words as many times as possible to assimilate them quicker. As you may already know or will quickly find out, hearing is not enough to speak the language. At the end of each dialogue, there is an authentic practice quiz. This final exercise is there to test everything you have learned so far in this video with questions that any friend could ask you if they wanted to know more about yourself on the topic of the video. The aim of this exercise is to get you to use the language in a more authentic day-to-day manner. This exercise is more creative. Try answering the questions yourself and writing the answers in the comment section of the video if you feel like sharing. You can also listen to the answers first and model the answers based on what is true for you. If you feel comfortable enough at the end of the video, use the comment section to practice asking different kinds of comprehension questions from the text that I might not have mentioned, as well as other authentic questions you would like to ask related to this topic. I really encourage you to use the comment section to further practice the language. The aim for this is for you to interact with the members of the community in French. This is a real, authentic exercise. You will see that by interacting with each other, you will empower each other to explore more the language and motivate each other to learn more French. And of course, I will be happy to correct you and help you improve. To reinforce your speaking skills, try repeating the dialogue sentence by sentence. Listen to the speakers, pause the video after each sentence, and try repeating what they've said using the same intonation. The dialogues are in a normal pace, so if they seem too quick for you, use the setting button to reduce the speed. Also try repeating the comprehension questions and answers that I have given you. The more you speak the language, the more it will be easy for you to use it outside of the classroom. I hope these tips have been beneficial to you. Like, share, and subscribe to encourage my work and help others benefit from this e-learning program. See you soon in a new video. Have fun and keep on learning. Bye!